Let's be honest, options trading sounds intimidating. Words like calls, puts, strike price, and theta decay can scare beginners off fast. But here's the truth. Options aren't gambling, they're tools. And when used the right way, they can be safer and more flexible than buying stocks outright. So today, I'm breaking down options trading made simple, a starter strategy you can use to trade with confidence, even if you've never placed an options trade before. Stick around to the end, and I'll show you a low-risk strategy that professionals use to grow small accounts without blowing them up. Think of options like a movie ticket. If you buy a ticket to a Marvel movie, you have the right to go see it, but you don't have to. Options work the same way. You're paying for the right to buy or sell a stock at a certain price, within a certain time. A call option equals you're betting the stock goes up. A put option equals you're betting the stock goes down. Simple enough, right? You're not buying the whole stock, just the right to trade it. Here's why traders love options. Leverage. With a few $100s, you can control thousands in stock value. Let's say Apple trades at $200. Buying 100 shares costs $20,000. But buying one call option that represents those same 100 shares might only cost you $300 to $400. If Apple moves up just a few dollars, your option could double or triple in value. Now, yes, it can also expire worthless, but with the right setup, you can manage that risk. Now, here's my favorite beginner-friendly strategy, the cash secured put. It's a low-risk way to make income while waiting to buy your favorite stock at a discount. Here's how it works. You pick a stock you already want to own. You sell a put option at a lower price, say 5 to 10% below where it's trading now. You collect a premium upfront, cash in your account right away. If the stock drops to that price, you buy it cheaper. If not, you keep the cash. So you're either getting paid to wait or buying the stock you wanted at a discount. That's the power of smart options trading. No hype, just strategy. Now, it's not risk-free. If the stock crashes way below your strike price, you'll still have to buy it at that agreed price. But remember, you only do this on stocks you actually want to own long-term. And here's the kicker. This exact strategy is used by hedge funds and institutional investors all the time to generate steady monthly income. The truth is, options trading doesn't have to be scary. It's just misunderstood. Once you learn the basics, you'll realize it's not about predicting, it's about managing probability. And if you treat it like a business, not a bet, the results can be game-changing. If you want my Beginner's Options Playbook, a one-page guide breaking down this strategy step by step, hit the link in the description or grab it free at ITeachStocks.com. Start simple, start smart. And remember, in trading, knowledge pays the best premium.